Qatar Freelancer visa. Yes, first of all, something that I definitely let you know, when we're talking about a freelancer visa, or what you call freelancing, it's not your own visa. It's a company visa, but that company does not employ you. It lets you use its visa to look for your own job. However, something that still you need to understand, much as this company lets you to use its visa outside its employment scope, you have to pay this company to renew what you call your residence permit, because you have no right to renew the residence permit by yourself. So meaning that still, much as you have that visa, you still belong to that company. When we come to the Ministry of Labor, the Ministry of Labor does not know that there is a free visa, but it knows there is a company that was given this kind of visa. So as you are out there, know that you belong to that particular company. Most of you we've been given visas by what you call the agents, but we don't even take time to know the sponsor of that visa, or the sponsor, or who is my sponsor on that visa. And we ended up, no, me, I'm on a freelancer. Me, I am on a freelancer. I don't know what to do. No, I don't want to know. Me, I'm already freelancing. I can move and do anything else. Yes, you can do anything else, but know that that visa that you have belongs to a company or belongs to an individual. Who is the sponsor on that visa? So when you look at the law takes you rightly like any other person who is employed or is still under what you call a company's roof. You must know that. You must have what you call a contract. Much as this company is not giving you the job, you must have a contract, or it's always very good for you to have a contractual agreement that should be signed and put in the Ministry of Labor. That is where the problem comes. Some of us, when we go to what we call the Ministry of Labor to file complaints, we are not being helped because we do not have the details with us. Most of you will agree with me. For those people that look at what you call changing, or you want to change from one employer to another, definitely they would say you must have what completed a given period, which must be 1 year in that company. So definitely, all this that should understand that when you're going to have a freelancer visa, you're going to be on your own. You'll have your own housing, you look for your own transportation, you'll have to look for your own employment, and you have to look for someone is recruiting. All what the company needs from you that gave you the visa is to pay up what you call the ID renewal. In case you need to renew with them, you will need to get a QID, or you need to pay them to renew the QID because they have what you call the establishment card. And if you want to change, definitely you will also need what you call a no objection certificate from them to change from one employer to another, because as per the ministry, that is what you call a company. It is registered as a company, not registered as an individual. So most of you are